Do you rest enough? Do you actually take the time to pause, enjoy and reflect on how brilliant life is? How brilliant you are? Leave philosophy and science aside for a while. Leave everything that may interfere with your complete attention and experience of this moment. How are you? What do you need? What do you want to get and can't seem to get? Are you happy and healthy, sociable, strong, resourceful, ambitious, passionate? You know, money, power, cars, muscles, houses, planes and a beach house are all amazing stuff. This stuff is so amazing that it gets so addictive that some people even lose their minds. Because it is sublime, and you are sublime and amazing. Remember that behind every object's surface, there's an undefinable soul. And the soul is vibrant and creative and in motion and introverted and extroverted and in and out and anywhere. Science can't put the finger on it, but you feel that it's there. And it's hard to describe it completely, but it's there tickling your senses. It's a vibration, an obsession with infinity. And then you look in someone else's eyes, and there's you. And you can feel that what you see is the same soul that whispers that you are related. And you are. You truly are. Your eyes are two universes looking into each other. Look at the shapes. The universe and your eyes have related designs. It's in the genes and the cells and the molecules and the atoms and the stars and the plants and the animals. Might even say the rocks. There's nothing else but it. This is the truth. The alternative is impossible. It's unity in diversity. It's beautiful. A fragment of a glimpse of a chance to exist, and there you are. Breathing, seeing, feeling, listening, thinking. And we are here, doing a video to uplift us and you. You know how they say, the more the better. And you are beautiful, and we are beautiful, and everyone has beauty and good within. This is the only truth. We don't know the definition of good and beauty, but can't you feel it? Isn't it just invisible? Even if people don't show it or show bad behavior and even evil, it's because they don't believe they're good and beautiful enough. But they have it within them. And it can blossom and grow and flower and evolve and grow some more and enjoy the sun and the fractals around you and enjoy nature and the people around you. And look into their eyes and do no evil. Never respond to injustice, says Socrates. Injustice is simply ignorance, and so are malevolence and tyrannical actions and crimes. Just haven't learned what he wants from himself. And they can learn on their own to love. And you and we must know how to love, because we are one. Unity in diversity, a creation in perpetual motion, a multidimensional masterpiece, an infinite game. A game that you can and must and should and will play until the final boss falls out of his own sword. You'll win in wisdom and love and time and creation and manners and good and beauty. And perhaps this video made you even slightly better. It's always here for you if it did. Remember this. Or maybe it's just a stupid video on the internet. But if you are still listening, we believe this is one of our most honest moments in a while. We cherish it. How about cherishing it together? Tell us in the comments your advice for a better life. Subscribe if you think we deserve your attention. Remember that we just started ELEVENLABS and we are trying hard to make better videos. So here are two questions. What is good? And how can we speak the same language?